Telnyx versus Twilio. Which one is actually better in 2025? Hey guys, in this video I'm going to compare Telnyx and Twilio, two big names in the communications API space, so you can see which one fits your business or project best. Let's start with Twilio. It's been around longer and is known for being the go-to platform for SMS, voice calls, and messaging. It's reliable and has tons of integrations, but it's also gotten more expensive over the years. Now enter Telnyx. Telnyx offers similar tools, SMS, voice, MMS, but at lower prices. It's developer-friendly, has a clean interface, and gives you more control over phone numbers and routing. So which one is better? If you're building complex workflows and want deep control, Telnyx might be the better value. If you're using a lot of third-party tools and need mature support, Twilio could still be the safer bet. It really comes down to your needs, pricing, scalability, and how much customization you want. Let me know in the comments which one you use. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. See you next time.